Hi Libra, welcome to your February 2021 reading. In this reading, I'm going to be covering all aspects of your life and deliver the messages to you as and how I receive them from you, for you. And in the meanwhile, if you enjoy a free reading, please head over to my Instagram and Facebook account. That's where I often go live and answer your questions for you. And may I request you to please hit the subscribe button for me and the bell notification icon on the side so you get notified when I'm live. The overall energy for the month of February is Knight of Pentacles, that is the Seven of Swords. You also get the King of Swords energy. You have the Two of Cups here, the Queen of Swords, the Five of Cups here, Hermit, Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Libra, let me take a deeper look at what's going on with you here. Alright, give me a moment. I feel like Libra, you feel like things are progressing at a very slow rate. Something that you would want to speed up is not going your way right now. And I also feel like there is someone here who's not acting or not working how you would like to see them. And the cards that pop out are the King of Wands energy, the card of the World, and the card of the Death. I feel like this could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Scorpio, who is very much out there. I feel like Libra, there is some of this, there could be also another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, who you have very strongly on your mind, and you could be walking away from this fire sign towards this air sign, or this person could have a very strong air in their chart. And I feel like Libra, something has just either ended for you or you walked out of that. Either the spark finished or you thought that the world was not, or nothing was moving there, and you kind of left it in that spot. Something ended for you here. I feel like Libra, with the Two of Cups and the Queen of Wands energy, there is somebody here who's going to come towards you, or somebody has their eyes on you for some time now. And this could be another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they could want to have a relationship here with you. You get the Queen of Swords energy and the Five of Cups. I feel like Libra, you haven't completely healed from your past situation, and you're not looking to have another one in the purview very soon. You also get the High Priestess energy with the Five of Cups, and at the end of, oh wow, at the bottom of the deck you have the Four of Wands energy. I feel like Libra, that it's difficult for you to trust in relationships anymore with what happened with you in the recent past, or what you're going through when you're looking at this reading, and you are not wanting to take any more chances. You could very well want to go in or turn in and stay there for a while. Think about what just happened, and if there was ever a chance for this to, or what just ended, to culminate into something more appropriate, something more concrete. I feel like Libra, this isn't over yet. Whatever or whoever you're dealing with, this could be another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, maybe, may not be. But I feel like this isn't over yet, and there is a possibility of a new beginning in this relationship. Some of you could be either walking towards each other once again with a new proposal, or with something else that you could be dealing with in together. But I definitely don't see a closure of something here. But it's playing on your mind and your heart a lot. You also get the card of Nine of Pentacles. So after Nine of Pentacles, there's after the Ten of Pentacles, there is a Nine of Pentacles energy. I kind of feel like you wanted something to grow and become better and stronger, but it went one step back. I also feel like you are now looking forward, you're looking ahead to build something of your own, or go out in the world and do something that you're really interested in, something that has your attention, something that has your liking. And you are focused there, you're focused on your growth, Libra. You do kind of want a new start with this person, and you're somewhere definitely hoping for some healing to happen, some miracle to happen in this situation that would bring about either them communicating with you again or bringing them back into your life. You get the card of the Chariot. I feel like, Libra, some of you could be physically traveling, or some of you could be meeting more people while you're traveling, and these people could be very significant to you. Some of you, Libra, may even be communicating with people in far off lands, or who may be living quite distantly from you, or who maybe you could be, this could be you thinking about traveling or actually traveling very soon. With the Six of Wands energy, I feel like, Libra, you're going to come out of this energy of stress and heartbreak. This isn't exactly a heartbreak. You kind of feel like someone walked all over your emotions, or this could be you doing that to them. You would know better. But I feel like you're going to come out of this feeling very soon. It's not going to keep you tied down and out. Off and on, you think about this person, or this situation, but it's not overwhelming for you. That's looking like a situation that's in your hand, and you're walking away from something that you're actually not giving this too much energy, you're not paying so much attention to that, because right now your focus is change, growth, finances. What more advice do you have for Libra, please? You get the card of Eight of Wands. I kind of feel like, Libra, there could be communication coming in from this person, but with this energy, I definitely feel like you're not paying a lot of attention to them, or to the situation, but it is leading you to the Ten of Cups situation here. So I feel like, even though you're not investing too much time and attention in this situation, and this is, at the bottom of the deck, you have Ace of Wands energy. So you may not be giving this a lot of time and attention. You're very well on your way, focusing on your life and your whereabouts. But any communication from their side, and that's leading you to the Ten of Cups energy, you would be happy to respond to that. And I kind of feel like I said, you're hoping and wishing for the universe to bring some kind of news to you from them. Like I said, this isn't over yet. You also have the Seven of Wands energy, and you're going to be talking and communicating with them once again. You will be able to, and you would want to actually overlook whatever happened between you and them in the past, and to move forward from there. You're actually willing to take things forward with this person. You get the card of Two of Pentacles. I kind of feel like, Libra, there is going to be a situation for you here in life where you may have to make a decision, because I see two relationships here. Possibly you could be entering into a new relationship with someone. It could be a moon sign with Cancer, or someone with Cancer in their moon sign or in their sun, but very strong there. Or they may be a fellow Virgo too. But I'm seeing like, there are two situations that you're going to try and handle here. I also feel like, you could be putting an end to this confusion. Yeah, you're definitely putting an end to one of the relationships here, and you're feeling a lot more confident and far more better about that, because you're now able to breathe. You're now able to come out from the situation where you felt, like you're juggling two things, two situations, two relationships, and ending up being drained. But now with the Nine of Cups energy, I kind of feel like you're going to put a full stop to one and carry forward one relationship here. You also get the card of Five of Swords energy. I feel like you're speaking your mind a lot to somebody here. And I feel like you're also not giving someone what they want. I have this feeling that you're not giving somebody what they want. You get the card of Three of Wands energy, and I also feel like you are waiting for a lot of projects or your work to show up for you or to fall in place. And right now, your focus is just growth and expansion. Lots of things are happening for you in the month of February, Libra. And you also get the card of Three of Swords here, followed with the Three of Wands. I kind of feel like, Libra, like I said, you could be juggling two relationships here, two or more relationships here. So you're definitely not alone. Or this could be the person you're in a relationship with or were in a relationship with who could be juggling two or more relationships here. And there was trouble there. There was quite a lot of things you had to deal with there. But now you're moving on. You're moving away from there with the Six of Swords energy, and you're now choosing to actually move out of this energy where it felt a little crowded or things were not very clear. You also get the card of Magician. You are manifesting this change for yourself, Libra. So, whatever you want for yourself in a relationship is going to come to you in the month of February. Make sure you are making a wise choice. Whoever it is you want to go forward with, and whoever it is you're wanting to leave behind, is going to happen that way. With the card of the Magician, give me a little more clarity about the Magician, please. Get the card of Ace of Wands. You're manifesting new beginnings for yourself, Libra. Whatever this is or whoever this is you're choosing to go forward with, this is going to come and this is going to bring you to a Ten of Cups energy. Something that you've been struggling with in the past is finally going to show up in the form of a new relationship or a relationship that may work out for you in the coming times. And you're not in a hurry though. I don't see you rushing into a relationship though. You're taking your time. And you get the Wheel of Fortune. So you have close cycles on someone old. This could be twin flame soulmate relationship. This could be a karmic as well. But you're closing a relationship or you're closing a chapter there and moving into new energies with a new person or with one person from your past, but with kind of want to say in a new version. That's what I have for you for now, Libra. I hope this reading helps you. Please do drop a like here. I would hugely appreciate you subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell notification icon for me. If you'd like that free reading, please head over to my Instagram and Facebook accounts and join me there as I go live. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye. Stay safe.